Hey, what's up everybody? David M here, the Polish Potato, with unboxing of a very cool set of IEMs. These are from Hidizs, the MS2 Pro. They were just released, literally on August 7th. So basically 10 days ago on the day of recording this video. This is the box, very neat. Let's get it unwrapped and reveal the actual IEMs. Here they are. Very nice presentation. Understated, not over the top in any way, but very, very nice reveal of what the IEMs actually are. And here they are. They feel very substantial in your hand. You can feel the weight. You can feel that there's a serious piece of engineering that you're holding. And they have a nice texture. Let me see if I can show this to you guys. There you go. You can see that right now. It's like perforated type of almost leather-like feeling material that fills the center of each earbud. Very nicely done. It's nice to the touch. It looks great. And then here's the rest of the casing. Here's your nozzle. You can see that these are well made, or at least I hope you can see that. What else is in the box? Let's see. Of course, we have ear tips. Here they are. I believe they are not just for comfort. They also change the sound signature slightly. So depending on which tip you use, you're going to have different sound profile coming out of these IEMs. There's also this neat carrying case and the cable inside of it. The cable is okay. It's not the most amazing cable in the world. It feels on the thinner side, but it's been matched with these IEMs for a reason. Hidizs know what they're doing, so you can trust it. I got it with the 4.4 end. And here's the very interesting part of this set, which is the additional nozzle filters. These also change the sound signature quite significantly. This is my first set of IEMs with nozzle filters, with replaceable nozzle filters. So I'm really, really curious to test these out and see how much they actually influence what you can hear. Here's me holding them on the palm of my hand, so they are very easy to lose. So don't do that. If you do change them, always put them back in this foamy thing and back in the little plastic box, because once you drop them, of course, they might be pretty hard to find. So this is the whole set. There you have it. Next, I'm going to give you my first impressions for a quick listening session. There you go, guys. I am back from the first listening session. My setup was the Quest Style M15 and the upgraded cable. And my first impressions are I absolutely love these. The sound is amazing. Details coming soon, but I love what Hidizs did with these. This shows a lot of experience, a lot of careful tuning. They are addressed to a demanding prosumer, in my opinion. Details are coming in the full review video soon on this channel. Thank you for watching this unboxing today.